Pilates is an exercise method that really focuses on connecting our mind with our own body. But today I would like to talk about this exercise method from a different perspective, which is how it helps us to boost our own immune system. We all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the whole world tremendously. There are a lot of preventative measures have been taken, but then a lot of people are challenging these procedures as none of them would be able to prevent somebody from getting the disease 100%. Instead, by boosting our own immune system, it seems to be the most effective way to fight the disease. As we have a stronger immune system, we are stronger and we would be able to maintain healthy. There are a lot of procedures that have been taken or proven to be able to boost our own immune system, which are sleeping, dieting, and also relaxation, focusing on coping with our own anxiety and depression, things like that. Then I would like to talk about another thing that's often neglected, which is exercise. But then, as a Pilates practitioner, almost using Pilates every day, I would like to focus more on this method. But a lot of the principles can be applied to many other types of exercise people are doing. We all know that in 1918, right after World War I, there was a Spanish flu pandemic affecting the whole world. Per statistics, there were about 500 million people who actually got infected, and about 50 to 100 million people actually died from that, which were about 5% of the total world population during that time. But then something was very interesting found in the UK that time, which was in the inmate camp where Joseph Pilates was living, none of the single inmates died from the Spanish flu. People were interested about that finding, and then researchers were studying about that, and then they found out that there are a lot of different things the Pilates method focused on that really helped us to boost our immune system and then cope with fighting any diseases. The first thing is the Pilates method really focuses on engaging the core muscles, which compose of the diaphragm and the transverse abdominis in particular. These muscles are really located at the very center of our own body, which is very close to part of the lymphatic organ, thoracic duct. By engaging the core, we are able to effectively stimulate the thoracic duct, which helps to facilitate the overall drainage and functioning of our lymphatic system. We all know that the lymphatic system is like a filter of our own body, part of the immune system. By improving its efficacy, filtering our own blood, our fluid, we are able to fight any types of diseases, viruses, or bacteria more effectively. Aside from engaging the core, most of the Pilates choreography also involves the whole body movement. It's a very holistic exercise approach, which means we are able to use all the muscles around our whole body during the entire exercise session, which helps us to facilitate the blood flow, which further improves the efficacy and functioning of the lymphatic system. So that's the first point from the mechanical standpoint. The Pilates method is able to boost our lymphatic system. The second point is about the connection of our mind and body. By having stronger connection of our own mind and body, which is often called mindfulness, it has been proven that people practicing more mindfulness are able to decrease their level of anxiety and depression. By doing that, we're automatically able to improve our sleep quality and also improve our immunity by doing that, which is another aspect that the Pilates method really focuses on to boost our own immune system. The third point is that the Pilates method really focuses on breathing mindfully and deeply, which helps our body to exchange oxygen more effectively and also improves the overall functioning of the lung, the pulmonary function, which is usually compromised by respiratory infections such as COVID-19 and the flu. By practicing that, we're able to improve the often compromised function, and so we have a better chance to fight these diseases. So, these are some of the points why the Pilates method helps us boost our immune system. But in reality, there are many other exercise methods that also share these principles. Hence, we as healthcare providers would encourage people to just exercise and just start moving so that we can boost our own immune system and fight the disease more effectively. But if you are more interested in doing Pilates, we at CORE actually provides a lot of private training and group classes, opportunities to get you introduced to the exercise method. And if you are interested in any of these options, our number is 512-215-4227. I'm Andy Tseng, physical therapist, occupational therapist, and a Pilates instructor as well at CORE. And I, along with our team of other Pilates instructors, will be more than happy to help you. Have a great day.